Today's lecture 14 of basic electronics is capacitor filter circuit. So let's begin with today's lecture. Today's lecture is about capacitor filter circuit. Okay, we have done all the rectification and why we need capacitor filter circuit for that specific rectifier. Let's see. Okay, before that we should know what is filter or how does filter help us or what filter does help. Okay, so first part it is written that circuit like half wave and full wave have ripples. It removes ripples from the rectified output. We have find ripple factor for both half wave and full wave. Why we get so much ripple factor? So to remove those ripples from the rectifiers or the rectified output, we need these filters. Okay. What is the important property of capacitor filter? Capacitor filter can also be stated as C filter. Now we will know about the important property of the capacitor filter. But before that, we should also know that the capacitor filter can also be stated as C filter. Okay. It allows AC, that is the alternating current, and blocks DC, that is the direct current. The important property is that it allows the AC current, okay, and it blocks the DC current. See, I have made a circuit here. This is the rectifier, and here we give the voltage input and we get the voltage output parallel with the load resistance. Here is our capacitor and here is the voltage capacitor. If the charge is that the capacitor will be charged when the voltage input is greater than the voltage capacitor. Okay, and the charge will be discharged. Sorry, the capacitor will be discharged when the voltage capacitor will be greater than Vi. If this Vi will be greater than this this Vc when greater than this Vi, then it will be discharged. If this one is greater than this, that is the Vc, then it will be charged. That is the capacitor will be charged. Okay. See. Now it is said that the rectifier's exciting voltage is given across the terminals of a capacitor. Let's go to the diagram again and see. Okay. This is our diagram. So it is saying that the exciting voltage of the rectifier will be given across the terminals of the capacitor. Okay. Now, whenever the voltage of the rectifier enhances, then the capacitor will be charged as well as supplies the current to the load. When a capacitor is charged? When our input voltage will be greater than our capacitor voltage. So it is saying the same, that whenever the voltage of the rectifier enhances, then the capacitor will be charged as well as it will supply the current. As the capacitor will charge, that means that the current will flow to the load. Okay. At the last part of the quarter phase, the capacitor will be charged to the highest rectifier voltage value, that is denoted with Vm. And then the voltage of the rectifier starts to reduce. As this happens, the capacitor starts discharging through the voltage across it and load. Okay, wait. I hope now you can see the graph. It says that at the last part of the quarter phase, the capacitor starts charging when it is at Vm. As it crosses the Vm, it again starts discharging. So see, here the capacitor starts charging. Okay, this is the Vm, right? And when it crosses the Vm, it starts decreasing again. Whenever again it reaches the VM, it starts charging. Again it gets discharged. Again it starts charging. Again it gets discharged. Okay. The voltage across the load will reduce little only because the next peak voltage occurs instantaneously to charge the capacitor. As you can see, the VM starts discharging, that is the capacitor starts discharging, but again it starts increasing, right? So the voltage at the loads will reduce less only a little bit, okay, because again it have to increase. The output voltage is superior because it remains significantly close to the highest value of the output voltage of the rectifier. Again, let's read the statement. The output voltage is superior because it remains significantly close to the highest value of the output voltage of the rectifier. It states that what is the output voltage of the rectifier, whatever will be the output voltage of the rectifier, the output voltage will be superior because it is close to the output voltage of the rectifier. The output voltage is superior because it remains significantly close to the highest value of the output voltage of the rectifier. Meaning the output voltage will only be superior because it remains constant and close to the highest value of the output voltage of the rectifier. Okay. We saw the graph that at the time of when it reaches VM, it will start charging. Again, when it crosses the VM, it will start decreasing. Again, when it will start charging when it finds another peak. Okay. See, basically it starts charging from here to here. Then it starts decreasing and decreasing. When it finds again VM, it starts charging again. Okay. And this difference is a peak to peak ripple voltage. Okay. The procedure will repeat many times. This procedure will continue repeating and the output waveform will be seen that very slight ripple is missing. Here also after the capacitor filter still we will see a slight ripple, okay, in the output, because we know that the DC, that is the direct current, is always straight line. So the voltage regulator to insert outside the filter. So to get this straight line we need to use a voltage regulator to insert outside the filter. The capacitor filter circuit is very famous due to its features. Like why this capacitor filter is so famous? Because it is very low cost, that is it is not so expensive, less weight, that is it is not so heavy, small size, that means it is compact, and it has good characteristic because it helps us to reduce the ripples, right? The capacitor filter circuit is applicable for small load current. But the capacitor filter circuit is only applicable when there are very small currents. Okay. So for today our lecture comes to the end. I hope all of you understood it, and see you all in the next lecture. And thank you for watching. Now it's the good time. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. I hope all of you understood today's lecture. And thank you for watching.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at class-like community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.